Hey yo, it's Chriso. Now, yeah, g'day. I've been in hospital for a night, and what's the time? 11:30 in the morning. I got discharged. What happened was I had a large hematoma on my head, which is a big bleed. I had 12 staples put in, and we're home and hose. I'll go back to work in a few days' time though. I need to just chill for a couple of days so I can be doing YouTube stuff on the computer, and we're laughing. So I'll see you then. Ooh, but I tell you what, don't bloody stand on a bucket.
You said bloody.
See ya.